You all know that hypertension is really a very dangerous problem. I'm going to talk about the hypertension and what are the consequences of hypertension in heart problems. There are two types of hypertension. One is primary and the second is secondary hypertension. The primary hypertension is the one where we don't know the exact cause. This may run in the families. Now this can be controlled by the drugs, and drug is the answer and has to be taken very seriously. The secondary hypertension is the problem which may related with the cause of problems. Like if somebody has got a kidney problems, they may get hypertension. There are certain tumors like pheochromocytoma where also patient get hypertension, hyperthyroidism, and there are certain other related diseases which may give rise to hypertension. So there the cause is known, hence we can treat the cause, thus hypertension can be treated. So that is known as secondary hypertension. Now if the patient is hypertensive, the most important thing is to treat the blood pressure so that there may not be the complication of hypertension. So let's see what are the complications of hypertension which impact the heart. If the blood pressure is high, heart has to work very hard to push the blood in the patient who is hypertension. Because of this vigorous work, heart muscles get thickened. And if the blood pressure is not being treated, a time will come when the heart muscles become fatigued and there is a heart failure. So hypertension which are not being treated properly or uncontrolled hypertension, patient may get failure of the heart. Then in certain patients who has uncontrolled hypertension, the bigger blood vessel like aorta, there might be tear in the inner lining of the aorta, what we call a dissection of the aorta. So dissection is another dreaded complication of hypertension. If dissection occurs, then there are very severe consequences. There may be leakage of the aortic valve. If patient is not being treated on time, then there is a rupture of that portion of the aorta and patient may die. So the dissection of aorta can only be prevented if we vigorously treat the hypertension and control blood pressure. Then there might be coronary artery disease because of the hypertension. Patients may get a rupture of the brain arteries if the blood pressure is not controlled. Thus they get a hemiplegia, the paralysis of the one part of the body because of the accumulation of the blood inside the brain due to rupture of the arteries. Hypertension can also occur because of the diabetes. In that situation, one has to treat the diabetes along with controlling the blood pressure. So we have seen that uncontrolled blood pressure may lead to heart failure, dissection of the aorta, and coronary artery disease. These three are very severe problems. To avoid these problems, one must vigorously treat the hypertension with the drugs. And if it is secondary hypertension, then causative factor must be treated accordingly. Thank you.